Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use QuickBooks Online to manage your business finances, today's video is a must-watch. I'm going to walk you through how to create a journal entry in QuickBooks, step by step, so you can record transactions accurately and keep your books perfectly balanced. Whether you're an accountant or a small business owner, this guide will make it super easy for you. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what a journal entry is in QuickBooks. A journal entry lets you manually record transactions that don't come from regular forms like invoices or bills. It's essential when adjusting accounts, moving funds, or correcting errors. Basically, it ensures your financial records stay precise and professional. Now let's log in. Head over to QuickBooks Online, click Sign In, and enter your credentials, your email and password. If two-factor authentication pops up, simply verify your account to continue. Once you're white in your dashboard, you'll notice the plus new button at the top left corner. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, select Journal Entry. This opens up the journal entry form where all the magic happens. Here's how to fill it out. On the first line, choose the account that's being affected. For example, if you're recording an expense, select the correct expense account. Enter the debit amount for that account. Then, move to the second line and select the offsetting account. This could be cash, accounts payable, or another account, and enter the corresponding credit amount. Remember, your total debits must always equal your total credits. QuickBooks will alert you if they don't match. You can also add a description to remind yourself or your accountant what this entry is for. Super helpful during audits or month-end reviews. Once everything looks correct, double check the numbers and accounts. Then click Save in New if you want to add another entry, or Save and Close to finish. And that's it. Your journal entry is recorded successfully in QuickBooks. So there you go. That's how to do a journal entry in QuickBooks Online, step by step. It's quick, simple, and ensures your books stay accurate year-round. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a QuickBooks tip from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.